Hey, what's up? I want to talk about my ultra high gain helical antenna or helix antenna on the DJI goggles version 2. I want to talk specifically about the mount that I built in FreeCAD. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the whole thing. Okay? I'm quite annoyed with these locks. This lock is used to prevent the antenna that's mounted on the bronze plate. There's a bronze plate there. Okay, that's a bronze plate. Bronze plate. Yeah, so the way the lock works is it pinches, it sandwiches the bronze plate. For example, this white paper thing here, imagine this is the bronze plate or copper plate. It's it's being pinched or sandwiched by this lock. And I'm quite annoyed because I've already lost two. So even if it's tight, eventually it moves and then it goes into this channel and then I won't notice it actually falls off, which is annoying. And I would notice that this would be dangling, right? So today, um, I decided to, you know what, let me make some changes to my ultra high gain antenna because I've been quite annoyed for like maybe a month now, and I've been thinking about a design, and took me like maybe 15-20 minutes before I was able to make a design. And then I decided, okay, I just decided on using a basic and proven solution, which is screw. So I made a screw. I put a thread, meaning I put a thread. Okay, it goes right on top of the plate like this, and then I screw it. Just a regular like clockwise rotation to lock it. And then yeah, this matches, or it's a little bit wider than the diameter of the helical mount. Yeah, right, this. And I am really quite happy with the way or how it came out. It's really looking professional now, and I believe it's almost ready to be sold. And this is my daily driver now. I don't put the basic stock antenna anymore here. It's always like this. They say it's directional, which I believe it's directional, but I have tested this setup for so many times that even if I bring my quad behind me, I still get a very strong signal. I don't know why. Okay? And yeah, it's really beautiful. Um I'm using a, how do you call this, Bamboo Lab P1S printer. Yeah, right here. Yep, right there. Okay. And then the mount here, this thing here, it's still printed by. I printed this from my old printer, the ANET A8, which is the ghetto printer. And look how bad it is. You'll see some dots or bumps like this one. This is also from the previous one. I don't have to reprint this because I want to save some filament. This one is brand new though. This one's brand new. It's really nice. It's so clean. Okay. Yeah. This is the version 2, and I need to figure out a way to prevent this from moving. Okay, that's why I had to put a TPU there. Okay, right there. Yep, TPU. There you go. Yeah, it's adjusting the focus. Kind of weird. There you go. Anyways, yeah, this is my version 2 now, and I'm very sold on this design. It's really nice. It makes this thing really secure. The only thing I need to make change is this one here, but it's quite ready, quite honestly. It's ready, and like what I said, I've been using this for quite some time now without any issues. 3 kilometers, no issue on a in a very Wi-Fi saturated place. This thing really rocks. Yeah, maybe I can sell it for like the whole setup for the antenna, maybe $30, right? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, $30? Maybe that's too cheap. Yeah, I don't know. Because I got the Axie 2 antenna for like $60. This is even more stronger. Right. Yeah. Alrighty guys, just wanted to share a few updates. Alright, good night. Later.